Okay, so Munchpak got me on this one. I was supposed to cancel my next subscription on Munchpak and they charged me before I could do it. Anyways, I just want to quickly show you guys what I got. We're not going to taste it or anything. I'm sure you would have loved that. If you don't know about Munchpak, it's basically a box that contains snacks from around the world. And so if you're interested in that, you love trying new things, this box is for you. Now, I've done several videos on Munchpak, so if you want to know more about it, just watch all these other videos right here, and it'll tell you all about Munchpak, pricing, and all that stuff. So the Munchpak that I have is actually the original pack, which has 10 snacks. They have a smaller plan with 5 snacks, and they also have a bigger plan with 20 snacks. But 10 I feel like is just right, and I love the variety with 10, so I don't mind getting it again, even though I wasn't planning it, you know, budget wise. But I do love Munchpak. I've enjoyed quite a few of their boxes, so let's get started. And yeah, we're gonna keep my glasses on because my makeup is expired. In case you are wondering where I got these are my Diff sunglasses from Goldie Box. Goldie Box is a lifestyle box which contains vegan and cruelty-free items. I think it's one of my most favorite boxes aside from Fabfitfun. And yeah, if you want to watch that video and my unboxing, check that out here. Here's Munchpak. You know what I like about Munchpak? Your second time signing up, you actually get a gift. Just kind of like being a loyal customer kind of thing. So I'll show you what I got. So this is what the inside looks like. You've got cereal pack, which is something new this year that they're doing. I don't know, my kids aren't into cereals for breakfast. We're like big rice and egg and bacon kind of family. Okay, this one is the Munchpak pamphlet, and it has all of the snacks that you would get, and we got, it says here, a free bonus gift inside, and the bonus gift is a face mask, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, Munchpak, you outdone yourself. We need masks right now. I mean, I feel like every other day someone is positive with COVID. I'm just hoping and praying for everyone's safety, and hope you are also being safe at home and doing your part to not spread the disease. I gotta wash it first before I try it on, but I love how red it is and the smiley face, so I will definitely wear this. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one that I got is, let's see, this Sabritas Crema y Especias. I don't know if I read that correctly. This is from Mexico. This looks like sour cream and onion chips, right? Let's see what it says. Sour cream and onion chips with delicious Mexican twist. These chips have that sweet and tangy sour cream and onion flavor with a hint of lime added. I love like vinegar chips, lime chips. I love those, so I think I'm gonna like this. I might eat this one at the end of this video and show it to you guys. The next item that I got is, it's the onion soup one, Kalbi Mai Pote. This is from Japan. I wonder why this one wasn't like colored, you know. Anyways, we've got potato chips again with rich and savory flavor of caramelized onions. Makes this remarkably addictive treat. Okay, next one, the pretzel. My daughter was eyeing this. She wanted to do another video of this, but guys, time wise, I just can't. I don't have the time for it. So we are just gonna eat this on our own time. I hope you guys appreciate me unboxing this. This is Pretz Muku mild roast. Again from Japan. I'm getting a lot of Japan. Like, I want a variety of countries. That one was a pretzel sticks that we all love, but it's tangy, savory, and has a salad flavor. So that's different. Next one, the original Yo-Yo snack crackers. This is what it looks like right there. This is from the United States. of thought it would be because it just reminded me of goldfish crackers. Like, look at that. They are classic crackers. Dip them in your favorite dip or even serve on top of soup. Definitely, I would put this on like a clam chowder soup. Don't they look like those clam chowder crackers? Now I want some soup. Next one is Maynard's Fuzzy Peach. My daughter wanted to try this because she had a feeling it's soft inside. So it's kind of like a gummy bear snack. Maynard's is from Canada. Shout out to my girl Mare. She is from Canada. Mare, have you had these before? Tell us if you like it or not in the comments. This is made with real fruit juice. It sounds healthy. Maynard's Fuzzy Peaches. So satisfying, sweet, perfectly chewy, and pack a punch of fresh peach flavor. Nice. Okay, next one. This looks like a bread snack right there. Lontan roll. It's from Malaysia. Malaysia. This is the first time we're getting something from Malaysia. A soft, spongy, rolled up cake with a creamy blueberry filling. This would be my jam. It's perfect for morning coffee and milk. We have the Peraki wafer. Limau. Not sure how to pronounce this. This is from Brazil. You get to crunch on Brazil's tastiest wafers, and these vanilla wafers are filled with a sweet yet subtle lemon lime flavor. Again, another flavor that I gravitate towards. And then we have the Biscotti Kokomo biscuits. Look at this. If you look closely, like the cracker is like chocolate filled. So this reminds me of the panda snack, but this one is from Pakistan. Anyone from Pakistan, give me a heart emoji on the comments. I'm excited. I've never gotten anything from Pakistan. It's a chocolate filled biscuits with fun graphics printed on the outside. Ooh, Tango Chubis. Tango Chubis. They are miniature chews packed with sweet fruity flavor and just the right amount of chewiness. I think this is gonna have the same, chewiness as maybe Starburst. That's what I think. And this is from United Kingdom. And the last one, guys, Tronky Nicola. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Ferrero Tronky Nicola. When chocolate meets hazelnut, yummy things happen. Yup, my favorite combination. Hazelnut for sure. This crunchy wafer filled with chocolate hazelnut cream and tiny hazelnut pieces makes every bite a dream. And this is from Poland. Yum. Tastes exactly like sour cream and onion potato chips. I need some chocolate. I'm gonna try the Nicola one. Oh my god, it's so good. It tastes exactly like the Ferrero chocolate, but this one is in stick form instead of the round balls. So good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. What do you guys think of my Munchpak box? I think I got a good variety, although I did get like 3 from Japan. But if you like this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely join the family, subscribe. With that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye guys.